Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hope you're all well and in good health. Today we're going to be looking at something called alkanes. Alkanes are a group of hydrocarbons and we're going to be looking at that. So what I would like you to do is grab a pen and some paper and follow me along. So at the end of the lesson we should know what they are. So let's begin. Now I want you to pay attention to the last three letters. The first alkane is called methane. The second alkane is called ethane. The third alkane you are going to learn is called propane. The fourth one which you're going to learn today is called butane. Okay, the first thing, pay attention to the last three letters. A-N-E. Alkanes, A-N-E. So there's an easy way to remember this, okay? Please eat plastic bananas. I know it sounds silly, but it helps you to remember. Monkeys eat plastic bananas. Okay? Now, what are they? As I mentioned in the beginning, they're hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons is anything which contains a carbon atom together with a hydrogen atom. Okay? Four hydrocarbons are methane, ethane, propane, butane. Let's now look at methane. So first thing, methane has one carbon in it and four hydrogens. It's commonly written like this, CH4. And what you must remember is, because carbon is an element and hydrogen is an element, they must be written as capital letters. It might be easy to do this, and they lose a mark in an exam, or to do that, you lose a mark in an exam. Okay, right, so hydrocarbons, methane. That's the first hydrocarbon from the family of alkanes. Now the second one, if you just take away the M, remember monkeys eat plastic bananas, eats ethane. Ethane has what you call a carbon-carbon single bond. When we write a carbon and a carbon with this line, that is called a bond. Yeah, and this has 6 hydrogens. Now, a way to remember this, I'm going to teach you a formula which you must learn and practice. The formula is CnH2n plus 2. N means any number. Any number. 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. H6. So 2 carbons, that's 1 carbon, that's 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens. So the next hydrocarbon from the family of alkanes is propane. Has 3 carbons. So now the formula, if I write this up again, sorry, CnH2n plus 2, 3 carbons, so C3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So I draw 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3, and if my formula is correct, I should have 8 hydrogens. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. One golden rule to remember now is that carbon can only have 4 bonds. Remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you write that down, highlight it, underline it, and put a star next to it. Okay, the next one is called butane. It has 4 carbons. Tell me how many hydrogens it should have. 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. So I draw my carbon chain. Carbon, carbon, single chain. 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there are my hydrogens. So I've learned the first 4 hydrocarbons. Remember, monkeys eat plastic bananas. Methane, ethane, propane, butane. So I hope you can remember that, and we're going to build on this in the next lesson. So I hope you've enjoyed the lesson and give it a thumbs up. If you did not enjoy it, then press the dislike button twice. Not once, but twice. I'll see you next time. Take care.